Yesterday I told you about forms of water. So water exists in how many forms? How many forms? Three forms. So water exists in three forms. What are they? Solid, liquid and gas. So the solid water is called as dash. Yes, solid water is called. Yes, Dhriti. Solid water is called Dhritirati. Solid water is called Dhriti.
Ice.
Ice. Yes, correct. Solid
Ice.
water is called ice. Next, liquid is called
Water.
water. Correct. Then gas form is called
Gaseous form is called water.
hmm, gaseous form is called
Rain.
no, 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 no.
Water.
Not rain. Not rain.
Water.
Not water.
Water.
Yes, Krishika.
Gas man. Gas man.
Gas form is called water vapor. Water
Human.
vapor.
Papers
Yeah,
man.
gas form is called water vapor, or you may call it as steam. Yes, you may call it as steam also. See here. See this. Water exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Water exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid form of water is called ice, liquid is called water, and gas form is called water vapor, which is gaseous state. Next, the water we drink is in liquid form. Yes, the water which we drink is in the liquid form. It is tasteless and colorless. Next, ice is the solid form of water. Yes, ice is the solid form of water, and you can see ice in the glaciers also. In cool countries, yes, near the polar regions, you can see ice like glaciers. Next, water vapor or steam is the gaseous form of water. So the gas form of water is called water vapor, or you may call it as steam also. Now coming to the water cycle. So what is this water cycle? So we get rain due to the process called water cycle. So in rainy season it's rain heavily. Yes, and we get water through rain only. And rain is the main source of water. So how these how these clouds are forming, how this rain is coming, how this rainfall is taking place, what is happening in the nature. So now let us see. See, the water from the rivers and lakes, yes, they change, they get evaporated and they change into water vapor due to the heat of the sun. So due to the heat of the sun, yes, the water from the water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, yes, all these water bodies, they go up. Yes, they change and they form into water vapor. And these water vapor rises up and cools. They form and they form into clouds and they become cools. So on cooling, the water vapor changes into water droplets which forms clouds and falls as rain. Yes, on cooling. So the water vapor which gets evaporated will go into the atmosphere and there it forms into clouds. So these clouds when they get cooled or when they condense, they fall as a rain. So the clouds will become cool and they fall as rain. So on cooling, the water vapor changes into small water droplets and they fall as rain. So the water cycle is a continuous process that is taking place in the nature. So water cycle is a continuous process that takes place in nature. This is the water cycle. Now you can see here the water cycle. See here. See, evaporation. 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 So water gets evaporated through this in the water bodies. Or yes, this water gets evaporated and they form into clouds. They form into clouds. You can see here, due to the heat of the sun, water gets evaporated and they form into clouds. So these clouds, they get condensed, means they become cool and they fall as rainfall. And this condensation, so this process is called as becoming cool, is called as condensation. Next, after condensation, the clouds give away the water as small tiny droplets which are called as rain, and this process is called as precipitation. Yes, this is called as precipitation. And after precipitation, again the water comes down, fall on the earth, and this water will go and collect all the water bodies. Yes, they go and collect all the water bodies, and the water bodies will be filled. Water bodies means rivers, lakes, ponds, they fill. And this is called as collection. So this is the complete story of water cycle. Children, see, I'm observing you. Some children, you are not sitting properly. See, I'm sharing this video of water cycle. Manvit Raj, remaining children also sit properly. Adya, Adya, look at the screen, Adya. So this is a small video of water cycle, how the water cycle takes place. Please observe it properly. Don't go here and there, concentrate here. Again, I'll ask questions.
Meaning.